Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can export documents from your existing KW DocuSign rooms in preparation for the launch of Lone Wolf Transact and in preparation for your access to KW DocuSign rooms being removed. So the first thing we want to do, because there's three different ways we can export those documents, we have some options here to make sure we don't lose access to those. Just you have to do a little bit of preparation first. So the first thing we want to look at is actually through command. So we're going to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. We're signed in with our KW login credentials, and we are going to navigate over to our opportunities. So your opportunities are these two hands shaking right here. And we're just going to go to one of our opportunities, whichever opportunity, they should all be linked to your DocuSign rooms, or rather your DocuSign rooms should all be linked to opportunities if they were created through command. So we're just going to grab an opportunity. We're just going to go ahead and get this one right here. And now we're going to go over to the Documents tab. And in here, you can see we're attaching files from DocuSign. Our working folder is our room docs. We're going to launch DocuSign directly through here. It's going to bring us directly to that DocuSign room. You'll see we only have this one document in here. So if we had more signed forms, we could also do the same thing here. But I'm going to show you, actually, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload a PDF just so we have more options so we can add them in here. So give me just a second. Let me grab that. So we'll go ahead and we'll just drag and drop that form in here just for an example. Now this is a PDF, it's not a signed form, but you would follow the same process with any signed forms. We're going to go back over to our opportunities room. And from here, you're just going to go ahead and attach those documents to your DocuSign room. So we're going to go ahead, or to your opportunity. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this so that one we just uploaded is visible here. We'll give it a second to load again. And now from here, we're again just going to select from the documents. We're just going to grab that document. So we just want to make sure we have all of our documents added through here. We can add custom folders if we need to. So we can say extra documents so we can have access to those folders. We say create folder, go in that folder, and we can add documents. We can add our source of documents from our DocuSign room if we need to. We'll just go ahead and say other here. We can add a note. We can show archives, show forms, anything like that. And then we can just select our room documents through here and we can upload them directly here so we have access. Once a document has been uploaded from your DocuSign room, you will have access to that through your opportunity, even once your access to KW DocuSign rooms has been removed. So you'll just be able to click on that document and it will show you the document here. And so you don't have to go back to DocuSign rooms once that has already been uploaded. Now, we have some other options. We can also click export documents here. We can export our listed documents. We can export all of the documents through here. So we can go through, export them, download them. You'll get a notification with a link to your KW. Actually, we should get it up here in our notifications bar. Right here, we click download file. It's going to download it as a zip file, and we will have those downloaded to our computer. Now, again, if it has been uploaded to your opportunity, you shouldn't need to export them from there. Even once your DocuSign room access has been removed, you will still have access to those forms, even if your DocuSign is disconnected, anything like that. Once they've been uploaded to your opportunity, you will have access to them. So that is going to be probably the easiest option, is just to make sure you have all of your documents uploaded to your opportunity. Make sure they're all synced. Make sure you've uploaded them all properly. Now we have another option. We can go over to our DocuSign rooms account. If we're just in our DocuSign rooms, we can go into each room individually and download all the documents. So we can go in, this is the one we were just in. We can do this with all of our opportunities or all of our rooms. We'll just go to the Documents tab here and we can just click Select All, and then we can just click Download. It's going to download them as a zip file again. So you'll see that zip file downloaded right there. Has the name of the room right here, or the address name rather. So you can download all of those room by room. It'll automatically name it with the room for you. So then you'll have access to those. So that's our second option. If we just need to save a copy from there, we can upload those files to our Google Drive, or we can leave them on our computer, whatever works for you. You can do it through there. Now, there is one other option, and this one is going to be to go through our command. We're going to actually go, this time, we're going to go through the KW Marketplace. So we're going to click Marketplace right here. We're going to go to the search bar up here, and we are going to search for DocuSign Rooms. And you'll see this DocuSign Rooms to Google Drive ongoing backup. So through here, you can use this. It is a paid subscription. You do have to pay for the subscription in order to sync it through API Nation. It is one that you will have to pay for. So this is an option you can use to automate it. However, again, you just have to pay for it. So you'll just go learn more. It's going to take you to API Nation. You will sign in or sign up. And then you can go in and set this up, pay for it and everything through API Nation. So you have that option as well if you need that option. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.